How to fix stuttering and boost FPS in Warzone. 1. Change your power plan. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Install all Windows updates. 4. Turn on HAGS, hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, in your graphics settings. 5. Run Warzone on the DirectX11, enter D3D11 in additional command line arguments. 6. Modify the config file, adv_options.ini@. Documents Call of Duty Modern Warfare players, change the value of renderer worker count to the number of your CPU's physical cores. 7. Lower in-game graphics settings. Display mode, full screen or windowed. Screen refresh rate, highest value. Sync every frame, VSync disabled. Custom frame rate limit, unlimited.